Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we check out the Perkeo 2 and take some photos in Pilsen in the Czech Republic. The Voigtländer Perkeo 2 is a very small, completely mechanical 6x6 medium format camera with a pretty good lens, but without light meter and rangefinder. All the important settings like the focus adjustment, shutter speed and aperture, as well as the shutter tensioning lever are all adjusted directly on the lens. If you like to use a cable release, there is also a little socket for it. To close the camera, you have to press two buttons and then close it. To open it, there is a button on the bottom next to the tripod bush. The Perkeo 2 has an automatic lock against double exposures, and the film will always be wound exactly one frame. To load the camera, turn the locking lever to the right and open the back by pressing the two buttons on the side. Then wind your film into an empty spool and insert it into the camera. To make it easier to insert the take-up spool, the bottom can be folded out slightly and the film transport knob lifted a little. Then advance the film until it is tight. Now close the back cover and turn the red window on the side so that no X is visible. To test whether the shutter release button is already cocked, turn the locking lever to the left and wind the film forward until you cannot wind it any further. Then turn the locking lever to the right again and continue to advance the film until the number 1 appears in the window. Turn the locking lever to the left again and turn the red window so that the X appears again. The camera is now correctly loaded and is ready for the first photo. Unfortunately, the viewfinder of the Perkeo 2 is extremely small. Especially with glasses it is no fun. But there is the Voigtländer 6x6 contour viewfinder, which is fantastic for the camera. Also, if you have problems estimating distances, you can get one of the many different attachable rangefinders. After the 12th photo the film is full, then the film can be completely winded up after turning the locking lever to the right. So this is one of the smallest 6x6 medium format cameras I know, but because of the missing light meter, rangefinder and the very small viewfinder, it sure is not for everyone. I was in Pilsen for some test photos, beer and cappuccinos. By the way, please visit the Cat Cafe if you're ever in Pilsen, it is really nice.